guys, it's Juliana Valley here from Juliana Valley Real Estate Group, powered by eXp Realty. Today we are at our newest listing at Nature's Landing in Willoughby Heights. This gorgeous 3-level townhome features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a beautiful and functional layout with large windows throughout. The main floor boasts a large kitchen with newer stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, a large functional island, eating area, and a balcony perfect for summer barbecues and entertaining guests. The upper floor has a large master bedroom, ensuite, and a his and hers walk-through closet, plus 2 large-sized bedrooms, a full bathroom, and laundry. This is the perfect family home. Steps to nature, trails, all amenities, shops, and schools. Book your private viewing today.